Hello, I'm Ken from Tokyo, Japan. How's it going? Today I'm going to be talking about how I learn English, and this is my English practice, so feel free to correct me and let me know in the comment box below. Firstly, I study at home by using a word book, watching YouTube. My favorite channel is ETJ English. He's an English pronunciation coach. I haven't taken any of his lessons, but I'll try it someday. Secondly, I use what I studied in real life. Just go out and learn. I usually drink on my own, sometimes with my friend at a karaoke bar called Champion. It's located in Golden Gai, Shinjuku. That is one of the most popular places by tourists. Oh, by the way, I reckon singing English songs is quite effective. As long as I sing a song, a stranger comes to talk to me like, oh, that was good, where you from? That's how conversations start at the bar. So I get to talk to people from many countries in English. And making mistakes is quite important. I think many of you already know that. You need to remember how that happened and how you felt and try it again until you're satisfied. Hub, HUB, which is a chain pub, it's also a good place to speak English. I haven't been there for a long time, 1 year or so, but it used to be always packed with people from overseas, even on Mondays, Tuesdays, like literally every day. In my opinion, the key is having fun. As long as you have fun, you may think you want to do that again, meet new people and learn more. Sometimes I get frustrated, of course, by mistakes and getting lost for words, but I get over it, enjoy it and repeat. I think it's worth it. Let's hope to achieve something what we want in this year. What language are you learning and how? If you like, you could share it with me in the comment box below, and they can be so helpful to others. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching today. Stay healthy and hydrated. Cheers.